Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of updating Windows 10. Keeping your system up to date is crucial for maintaining security, improving performance, and ensuring that you have access to the latest features. So, let's dive in and see how you can do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. To do this, simply press Win+I on your keyboard. This will open up the Settings menu, where you can find all the options for your system. Once the Settings window is open, scroll down a bit and click on Update and Security. This is where all the update-related options are located. Now, on the left side of the window, you'll see the Windows Update section. Click on that. At this point, you should see a big button in the center of your screen that says Check for Updates. Click on it. Windows will now start searching for the latest updates available for your system. This may take a few moments. If updates are available, they will automatically begin downloading. You might see a progress bar showing how far along the download process is. Once the updates have finished downloading, Windows will begin installing them. Depending on the size of the update, this might take a little while. Don't worry if it seems like it's taking longer than expected. This is normal. During the installation process, your computer might prompt you to restart. If that happens, simply click Restart Now to apply the updates. Your PC will automatically reboot, and the update process will continue in the background. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Windows 10 system. Keeping your operating system up to date is key for security, performance, and staying current with the latest features Microsoft has to offer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.